Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Smith, and I'm going to teach you one of your last math lessons of kindergarten. Can you believe it? Our year is almost over. So today's math lesson, I have a bunch of 10 frames, and we are going to practice adding. So you'll notice in my 10 frames, I have these little circles. Those are my counters, just like we would use at school, like counters in our 10 frames. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at each rectangle and we're going to solve the problem. Are you ready? All right, let's look at this first one up here. So you'll notice I have two 10 frames here. Now remember, it's a 10 frame because it has 10 squares or frames, kind of like a frame, like for a picture. So there are 10 frames. So this is a 10 frame and I have two here. So let's start by figuring out how many counters are in this first 10 frame. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 counters in the first 10 frame. I'm going to write a 4 here. Down across, down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Then I have this symbol. Who remembers what that means? That's the plus sign. It's what I use when I'm adding or making my number even bigger. So I have 4 plus, now let's see how many are in this 10 frame. Ooh, I'm gonna do it a different way this time. I can tell that this side is almost full, and I know if the entire side is full, I have 5. But I have 1 less than 5, so if I had 5, I take away 1. Oh, I have 4 again. Oh, I have 4 on this side too. 4 plus 4 equals, what do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you said 8, you were correct. Make an S, then close the gate. That's the way to make an 8. All right, let's go to the next one. Once again, I have two 10 frames. Who thinks they know how many are on this side? Say it out loud. Did you say 2? Yep, I'm going to put a 2 here. Remember, make a candy cane, then a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. How many on this side? 2 again. All right, so I have 2 plus 2 equals, I have 2, and then I get 2 more. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down across, down some more. All right, so I have 4 plus 4 equals 8. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's go to the next one. I notice there are a lot of empty frames in this 10 frame. How many counters? 1. We only have 1 counter in this frame. All right, let's look at the next one. How many counters do you see again? 1. All right, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let's go to the next one. I see 3 counters plus 3 counters. And then what is this symbol? Equals. So 3 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around the tree to pick up sticks. That's the way to make a 6. All right, now this last one, I made it in a different way because it's important that you know that 10 frames can be up and down like this. These are called vertical 10 frames, or they can be sideways like this. This is a horizontal 10 frame. So now we're going to look at this one, and how many counters do you see in this 10 frame? It is the entire top. What does that mean? It means we have 5 counters. Now remember, to make a 5, I go down, big belly, hat on top. So 5 plus, now how many do you see over here? Did you say 5 again? You're right. 5 plus 5 equals, wow, that's like all of this hand and all of this hand, and together it makes 10. So I'm going to make a 1 and a 0. Now, boys and girls, I want you to really look at all of these 10 frames. Look at these addition problems. Did you notice anything? I have 4 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 3 plus 3, and down here I have 5 plus 5. What did you notice? Did you notice that the same number was in both 10 frames? Yeah, We added 4, and then we added 4 more. And then we had 2, and we added 2 more. And down here we had 5, and we added 5 more. So every time we had the same number. Now I want to teach you about something. When I have 4 on this side and 4 on this side, and I am adding those are called doubles. 4 plus 4, it's the same number. Those are doubles. So I kind of went through all of these. We have 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2, oh, more doubles, equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then 5 plus 5 equals 10. So all of these are doubles. Now, after this video is over, I want you to listen to the next video and learn a little song that'll help you remember all of these doubles. Good luck! Thanks for watching!